The periodic table, also known as the periodic table of elements, is a tabular display of the chemical elements which are arranged by atomic number, electronic configuration, and recurring chemical properties. The structure of the table shows periodic trends. In the standard periodic table, the elements are listed in order of increasing atomic number. Each chemical element has a unique atomic number and atomic mass. For example, hydrogen. Its atomic number is 1 and its atomic mass is 1.008. The atomic number represents the number of protons in its nucleus, and we know that number of protons is equal to number of electrons in a neutral atom. As an atom is electrically neutral, that is, it has no charge. The atomic mass in an atom is equal to the sum of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus of that atom. In this video, we will learn about the electronic configuration of the first 20 elements, that is hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium and calcium. The electrons are located in simple rings or shells surrounding the nucleus. Each shell represents a different energy level and it can hold a certain maximum number of electrons. Like the first shell can hold a maximum of 2 electrons. The second shell can hold up to 8 electrons. The third shell can initially hold 8 electrons, but later it can hold up to 18 electrons, and so on. The general formula is that the nth shell can in principle hold up to 2n square electrons. In case of hydrogen atom, it has 1 electron. Hence, it occupies the first electron shell. Its electronic configuration is 1. In case of helium, there are 2 electrons. So, the second electron is occupied in the first shell. Its electronic configuration is 2. For lithium, 2 electrons will be occupied in the first shell and the third one in the second shell. So, the electronic configuration of lithium is 2, 1. Similarly, for beryllium, 2 electrons occupy the first electron shell and the remaining 2 occupy the second shell. So, the electronic configuration of beryllium is 2, 2. In case of boron, 2 electrons occupy the first shell and 3 electrons will occupy the second shell. So, the electronic configuration is 2, 3. Now, the electronic configuration of carbon is 2, 4. That means 2 electrons will occupy the first shell and 4 will occupy the second shell. Nitrogen has electronic configuration of 2, 5. That means 2 will be in the first shell and 5 electrons in the second shell. The electronic configuration of oxygen is 2, 6. That means 2 electrons in the first orbit and 6 in the second orbit. Because it has atomic number 8, that means number of protons and electrons are also 8. Fluorine has 9 electrons, 2 will occupy the first shell and 7 will occupy the second shell. Neon, which is an inert gas or noble gas, has atomic number 10. That means the number of protons and electrons are also 10. So 2 electrons will occupy the first shell and the rest 8 will be in the next shell. In sodium, 2 electrons are present in the first orbit, 8 electrons are present in the second orbit, and since the outermost orbit cannot hold more than 8 electrons, hence the 11th electron moves in the third orbit. Similarly, magnesium has electronic configuration of 2-8-2 because 2 electrons will occupy the first shell, 8 in the second shell and 2 in the outermost shell. Similarly, for aluminium, there are 2 electrons in the first shell, 8 in the second shell and 3 electrons in the outermost shell. So the electronic configuration is 2-8-3. Silicon, 2 electrons are present in the first shell, second shell is having 8 electrons and the last or the outermost shell is having 4 electrons. So the electronic configuration is 2-8-4. Phosphorus with atomic number 15 has 2 electrons in the first shell, 8 in the next shell and 5 electrons in the outermost shell. So the electronic configuration is 2-8-5. Sulfur, atomic number 16. So number of protons and electrons also 16. 2 electrons are present in the first shell, 8 electrons in the second shell and the third shell is having 6 electrons. So the electronic configuration is 2-8-6. Chlorine has 2 electrons in the first orbit, 8 electrons in the second orbit and 7 electrons in the outermost orbit. So electronic configuration is 2-8-7. Argon with atomic number 18 is again an inert gas or noble gas. Now why it is an inert gas? Because it has 8 electrons in the outermost shell. So it has 2 electrons in the first shell, 8 electrons in the second shell and the remaining 8 are there in the third or the outermost shell. So the electronic configuration of argon is 2-8-8. Potassium, atomic number 19. That means number of electrons also 19. So 2 electrons will be present in the first shell, 8 electrons in the second shell, 8 electrons in the third shell and remaining 1 electron will be present in the fourth shell. So the electronic configuration is 2-8-8-1. Calcium, atomic number 20. It has 2 electrons in the first shell, 8 electrons in the second shell, 8 electrons in the third shell and the outermost shell has 2 electrons. So the electronic configuration is 2-8-8-2. This way you can understand the electronic configuration of the remaining elements